Hello, my name is Ramneek Singh and this task is 5.3 HD calling function from the web. And in this task, I will be demonstrating a system, a smart remote traffic control light system using Arduino Nano 33 IoT, controlled completely over the web using a database which is Firebase. And I've also created a simple HTML interface for that. So firstly, I will be demonstrating my project, the task outcomes basically. So this is my code, and you can clearly see that it is returning to be status 200, which is true. It is connected to my Wi-Fi. Now I'll be showing you my real-time database which I've created. This is the real-time database which I have created, and this is my HTML file. I've pasted the same URLs of my database in my HTML file and my code, and this is my page in which I'm having three options of glowing up my LEDs. Now you can clearly see that these three options are set to be tick, and it is set to be true in my real-time database, and these three LEDs are glowing. Now I will be changing it to false by making the red LED and green LED to false. Now you can see that red LED and the green LED are turned off, and in my database as well it is set to be false. So this is the demonstration of my task outcome. So in this demonstration you clearly saw that each LED is independently controlled in real time through Firebase, so no page refresh or backend server is needed. You could clearly see in my video. Now I will be referring to the code. So this is my mobile data, Ramneek, and I have included the Wi-Fi NIA library, Wi-Fi SSL client library, and Arduino HTTP client library. And this is my port, and this is my URL of my database, and these are my paths to my JSON files of the three LEDs, and these are my pin. You can clearly see that I've connected the blue, green, and red LED to pin D2, D3, and D4, and their cathode leg is connected to the ground. And I have put the 220 ohm resistors in between to prevent the LED from getting popped up. And I'll be telling you that how this is getting into the function. So this is my setup function, and in this part, void check and string, every second of the board calls this function for each LED, red, green, and blue, checking the Firebase path like LEDs, red JSON, and updates the corresponding pin using digital wire. So this polling mechanism ensures that the board stays updated with the latest changes coming from the web, which we are putting up. So that's the demo of the remote control traffic light system using Arduino, Firebase, and HTML, which is a very sort of a responsive system, and it basically requires no external or backend or server logic. So in the next part of the video, I will be explaining you the code and my serial monitor in detail. So this was just the demonstration part. Thank you very much.